the box fan. So, what do you think about this box fan, senor? You are very lucky, senor. This box fan is a token of brilliance from my homeland of España. It is the box fan of
I don't
time.
know, that doesn't look like a very good fan to me. I mean, it's missing blades. Where's the power cord?
The blades never stop moving, senor. For this is the box fan of time, and its blades move faster than our human eyes can see. It is powered by the very atmosphere that we breathe.
Okay, well, why are the words Ford Mustang written on top of it?
Well, that is the price, senor. Senor, the box fan of time, senor. Hey, senor.
Who's that?